1-hour script outline: how to upgrade your computer hardware for better performance. Introduction. Opening. Briefly introduce the topic of hardware upgrades and the benefits of doing so: better speed, productivity, gaming performance, etc. Example. Welcome to today's guide on upgrading your computer hardware for optimal performance. Overview. Explain the areas that will be covered: CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, etc., and set expectations for the video length and structure. Example. We'll walk through everything from upgrading your processor to installing a new graphics card. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to enhance your computer's speed and capabilities. Safety tips and tools required. List important safety precautions: anti-static wristbands, power off your computer, etc. Mention tools needed: screwdriver, thermal paste, etc. Segment 1. Upgrading the CPU. Why upgrade the CPU? Discuss the benefits of upgrading the CPU: better multitasking, faster computations, improved gaming performance. Compatibility check. Explain how to check if a new CPU is compatible with the motherboard. Introduce websites and resources for compatibility checks, e.g., manufacturer sites, PC part picker. Step-by-step installation. Demonstrate how to safely remove the old CPU and install the new one. Mention details like applying thermal paste and securing the cooling fan. Segment 2. Upgrading the RAM. Why upgrade the RAM? Explain how more RAM improves multitasking, program load times, and overall system responsiveness. How much RAM do you need? Discuss how much RAM is sufficient based on different use cases, e.g. gaming, video editing, basic usage. Step-by-step installation. Show how to remove the old RAM sticks and install new ones. Tips on checking RAM compatibility, DDR4 versus DDR5, etc. Segment 3. Upgrading storage, SSD versus HDD. SSD versus HDD. Explain the differences between SSDs and HDDs and why SSDs are faster. Choosing the right storage size. Guide the audience on selecting the appropriate storage size based on usage: 500 GB versus 1 TB, etc. Step-by-step installation, 6min. Demonstrate how to install a new SSD or HDD and explain how to clone data or reinstall the OS. Segment 4. Upgrading the GPU. Why upgrade the GPU? Segment 4. Upgrading the GPU. Why upgrade the GPU? Discuss the benefits of upgrading the graphics card, particularly for gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. Compatibility and power supply. Explain how to check GPU compatibility with the motherboard and power supply requirements. Provide tips on checking for adequate power connectors and space inside the case. Step-by-step installation. Show how to remove the old GPU and install a new one. Mention any required software or driver updates. Segment 5. Upgrading the power supply unit, PSU. Why upgrade the PSU? Explain the importance of having a strong enough power supply, especially after upgrading hardware components. Selecting the right PSU. Discuss wattage requirements based on the components in your system. Step-by-step installation. Demonstrate how to remove the old PSU and install a new one safely. Segment 6. Optional upgrades, cooling, case, etc. Why upgrade cooling? Discuss the benefits of better cooling solutions, such as reducing CPU, GPU temperatures, prolonging hardware lifespan, and maintaining stable performance. Other customization options. Brief mention of upgrading the PC case, adding RGB lighting, better fans, or liquid cooling systems.